Make $10 each time a student views your lesson notes. Guys, this is massive. If you are a student, a Nigerian student, you are a teacher or a professional in anything, a nurse, an engineer, or anything you are good at, you have a special skill, there's something you know how to do, you can't afford to miss this. Look at this. On this website, you share your class notes, old lesson notes, assignments, exam preps, and personal notes you made that are helpful and educating to the student. You upload it on this website. Each time a student views this note, you get paid $10. Guys, $10 by today's conversion rate is 6,000 naira. So each time a student views your lesson notes or whatever notes or document you uploaded on this website, you get paid $10. Now, don't take my word for it. Look at people that are making thousands of dollars on this website just sharing their lesson notes. So if you're a student, whether you're in the university, polytechnic, college of education, or you've graduated already, now it's time you go get all your lesson notes, all your lecture notes, all the assignments you took while you were in school. Start uploading them on this website, because a lot of students out there need to use this resource material to prepare for their own exams, and you get paid for doing that. All you need to do to get paid is simply upload this file. The stress of marketing it and getting views is no longer yours. The platform will get thousands of people to see your document, and then once they view it, you get paid. I'm going to show you what the website is, how it works, how you can create a free account for yourself after watching this video. It's so amazing, and I've already created my own account today. I'm going to share top secrets that will help you identify the kind of documents students are looking for. This will help you make more money with few documents. So you don't just upload any documents, rather you upload the kind of documents that students are looking for, because the more they view those documents, the more money you make. I will also talk about payment threshold and show you about 6 different ways you can withdraw your money. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you don't have to worry, because you can withdraw your money straight to your bank account. I will equally show you how to upload those documents, whether it's your notebook, your lesson notes, your exam preps, whatever the document is. I'm going to show you how to upload it on this website. Now let's get into the video. As you can see here, you earn money by selling study documents. You get paid up to $10 every time a student views any of your documents. Here are top earners. People are making $83,000, $97,000 from this website, just uploading their document and having this document viewed by students all around the world. Okay, now you can upload old assignments. Yes, assignments like past homeworks, projects, reports, presentations, and the rest of them are resourceful materials students need to read to prepare for their exams. Detailed class and lecture notes to help students learn and understand academic concepts. And the best part is you can upload it in any language. So whether it's French, German, English, or whatever it is, these documents are accepted. Here's something very important you need to bear in mind while uploading on this website that will help you make a lot of money. All content should be uploaded with the intent to help students learn. So whatever the document is, always bear in mind that this is meant for students. So any of these documents you have that can help a student learn, understand the concept, and perform well academically is exactly what you're going to upload on this website to get viewed and get paid. Here's a pro tip to help you get the right kind of document that will make money. To help a lot of students find your document, you want to provide a strong title. And this is very important, because studying your document the right way will help students to find the topic once they look for it. So if, for example, the topic is on mathematics, and you're able to title it the right way by putting the right title and even the topic of that mathematics. So when students are looking for that particular topic, once they search on the search bar, your document will be one of those ones that will come out, because it is well titled, it's well labeled. With that, they get to see your document and you'll be able to cash out. In case you have a lot of topics you want to share, but you don't have time to upload them one after the other, you can actually upload all the topics in one folder, put it as a zip file and upload it. On this website, they are going to go through the document one after the other, and they are going to separate it the way it should be, and then credit that to your name. It's amazing, guys. Now, in a moment, I'm going to show you how to sign up and then upload these documents. And like I said, you can upload as many as you can. 100 documents, 300, 500. The more you upload, the more chances you have of getting these documents viewed. How does it work? Upload documents. The system will review and approve uploaded documents for quality. The next step is users view your documents. Once the document is uploaded, the student gets to view your document. Once they view it, you receive payment. Now, how do you get paid? There are a lot of payment options they have on this website. Number one is Payoneer, and Payoneer is accepted worldwide, especially if you're in Nigeria, you're having issues with PayPal, you can receive your payment through Payoneer. With Payoneer payment, you walk into your bank and withdraw your money in dollars. I already created a full tutorial on how to create a Payoneer account. Here is the video. In case you want to withdraw your money in dollars, this video here will show you how to create a domiciliary account that will allow you receive payment in dollars as well as pounds. So if you are struggling creating a Payoneer account or creating a domiciliary account, these two videos will guide you step by step how to create the two of them. Now, you can also receive your payment through PayPal, Paywise, even Western Union, guys. You can also receive your payment through bank deposit. You can be paid straight to your bank. You can also get paid through Skill. So payment is never a problem. How do you maximize earnings? What are the things you can do today to boost your earnings, to make sure that a lot of students get to see your document and also make me show you 3 helpful tips that will help you get this done. First is that you need to upload high quality content. Anytime you upload your document, the system runs through it to check the quality of the content you uploaded. So you want to make sure it's high quality. You also need to add document details. This is very important because students easily find your document if it's well labeled. If you're able to tell the topic, the title, the university where you are studying or where you studied, course details and tags. It's been proven from this website that people who add document details get a lot of views and of course a lot of money. Another tip that will help you get a lot of views is to make sure that this document is meaningful. You need to make sure that those documents provide educational values. Bear in mind that the people that will view your documents are students, and everything they are looking on this website are things that will help them perform better in their classes, in their study in school. So whatever the topic or the course is, you want to make sure it's something that adds value to the life of a student studying that course or in that field. Now, here are a few things you need to avoid. The first one is uploading low quality content. You should by all means avoid uploading low quality content, as this might lead to your document being disqualified. By low quality content, I mean content that have no explanations, no answers, and no educational value. From the website, users with a history of low quality content will be removed. So you don't want to do that. The second thing you need to avoid is bad titles, such as failing to label your document with a strong relevant title can greatly reduce your earnings. Adding document details such as university, course, and tags are also important. The next thing you want to avoid is duplicate content. And finally, you don't want to upload copyrighted content. The name of this website is called Study Pool. There's so much you can do here. Follow the guide so you'll be able to maximize your earning. As soon as you upload documents, you have a lot of students viewing your notes and then also making money for you. This is a sweet way of making money online, doing almost nothing. If you're looking to make more money from this, one of the things you need to do is that you want to make sure to upload documents from popular subjects. Subjects such as business, nursing, humanities, and writings are topic areas a lot of students find interesting. These are actually some of the areas a lot of students need help with. So uploading content on these areas are guaranteed to get you more views. Are you getting value from this? Let me see you give this video a thumbs up. So to sign up and start creating content immediately, all you need is come over here and click on this button that says sign up. When it opens, you'll be required to supply your email address, a username, and a password. So once you have done supplying this information, you click on create account. You are going to receive this email that says verify your email. Click on this to verify your email address. As soon as you're done, you'll be required to put your basic details like your name, your institution, and the rest of them. After that, you created account for yourself. So let me log into my personal account and show you how it looks like. So this is my account. To upload documents and start selling them, click on this button that says sell document, and it's going to open. Now, how do you withdraw your money? Payment threshold, which is amount of money you need to make before you can withdraw, is $50. And once you get up to $50 to withdraw your money, click on this menu button here. Then scroll down and click on balance. Once it opens, you can easily withdraw your money. To withdraw your money, click on withdraw money. I'm going to go on to put in how much you want to withdraw. Come over here and select the payment gateway you want to withdraw. If it's Payoneer, you click on select. Or if it's PayPal, you click on select. Whichever one you want to withdraw through, you just click on select, and then you go on to withdraw your money. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to share it with your family and friends. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.